months and months away. Yeah, it's a great rock. Well done.
Really?
Yeah. Despite it being closed for a while. Southern Goose Egg.
Huh.
So pointing at the tree, right?
Yeah.
And then you're going up that rib to those two trees in the ledge.
Yeah.
And then you climb up right there where the ledge was.
Yeah.
And then there's this kind of a crack that goes across all the way to the south of Rhett.
Okay.
And we're going up there, Rhett, basically to the summit.
Perfect.
Yeah. Valued by another person.
Mm-hmm.
So you apply your values, and there's this thing called consciousness, or awareness, aware being, that once you recognize you're not your ego, I am conscious awareness. I am aware being. Everything that is in my awareness is a part of me. Then actually, God, the Creator, is actually living this life through my eyes. And, well, then there's the Trinity and all of that, but basically that's the gist of it. Oh, here's something. This is a pretty thin plate.
Yeah.
As long as you don't pull out on it, it's fine. Actually, it's pretty solid.
Cool.
The climbing one.
Oh yeah, you go up that? We're going out to the Uret. Get to the top of Onoclea. Oh yeah? I thought I had heard of a more difficult route over there. Mark out here by the goose.
And go up there. More on the south side of the slab.
Okay.
And then traverse over into that kind of diagonal crack. And then we actually get into that crack and then gain the summit from there.
Gotcha.
So we should do that some.
We're shopping for people.
Shopping for people.
Excessively. It's like
Kind of definitely objectifies that foot. Okay.
yeah.
Right. Now I'm going to get the foot over here.
Okay.
And that goes in quite nicely and secure.
Oh yeah, that's a reach, huh?
Yep. But a very secure reach.
Cool. Fun. You figured this out the first time down climbing?
Yeah.
Good man. I bet that was fun.
Well done. Yay.
Glad I'm 6'4" on that.
Yeah, that was a pretty good reach. So that's what we did. Are really designed around being in close proximity to lots of.
We think that's the top of Chains of Love. They're climbing.
He's gonna go up to the ledge.
Is he going for it? Yeah. He's got a clip.
that is how it's done.
Yes.
And we were in the notch, that